Hey guys, it's Lauren. I'm the health coach with Injuryfree, and today we're going to be making a white turkey chili. So some of the ingredients we're going to be using today, our base will be made from bone broth, and bone broth is very healing towards your gut. It's a great source of collagen, which is the building blocks of all of our cells. We'll also be using free-range ground turkey. We have some black beans for our fiber source, as well as a lot of different herbs and seasonings, which will provide a lot of antioxidant benefits. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the turkey on. I'm gonna drizzle some avocado oil in the pan. And I got my turkey right here. Put that in here. Gonna break it up a little bit just so it cooks nicely. And I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. And while that cooks, I'm going to come on over here and we're gonna get our base ready with the bone broth. It's nice and hot. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in our black beans as well as our corn and green chilies. Cool. I'm gonna stir the turkey over here real quick. And now we're just gonna let that cook, and we'll come right on back, and when the turkey's ready, we'll add it over into the bone broth. So now I'm just gonna make myself a bowl of this white turkey chili. And I'm also gonna garnish it with some cilantro, which is going to be very anti-inflammatory and help with detoxification. Thanks for joining us for Fresh Recipe Friday.